Hi, I'm Doug. I'm one of the applications engineers at Ramco. We put together this engineering lab to allow our customers to come in and have some hands-on experience with our products. This particular section features a device from QC Conveyors. In 1981, QC was formed with the thinking that hardworking people and products are a good foundation to start a business. Norm Volkerding was an industrial sales engineer that sold to the metal stamping industry, and his customers required products that can be used in harsh environments and also low profiles, which can be easily interfaced with stamping machines. This is the Flextrac conveyor they offer. It is a modular concept. They have multiple versions of the belting material. And since it's modular, it allows easy retrofits to existing systems and changes later. The Flextrac series is designed to keep up with changing production needs. Its modular design means you can easily reconfigure the conveyor as your layout evolves, curves, inclines, and new lines without replacing the whole system. With plastic chain technology from Modu, you get the flexibility of tight radius turns, elevation angles, and individual chain segment replacement. So when maintenance is needed, you're not stuck replacing the entire belt. Integration is simple thanks to the T-slot frame design, which allows you to easily mount sensors. And in this case, we have some side rails mounted that way. And whether you're working with packaged goods, raw materials, or lightweight assemblies, the Flextrac system can handle it all, smoothly navigating corners, slopes, and tight footprints to maximize your floor space. So if you're looking for a reliable conveyor system that grows with your operations, Flextrac delivers. Reach out to your Ramco rep or visit ramcoi.com to learn more.